So on this project, we're using drones to map the job site. At the beginning of the project, we were mapping this job site weekly because we were doing a lot of excavation. That was phase one of the project. The main thing is we do it for earthwork quantities and also to track what's been happening on the job site month to month. So we're able to go back and see what we did either 3 months ago or a year ago. At the beginning of the project, we had a multiple stockpiles throughout the project, and we needed to know how much excavation we had done and how much excavation we'd have remaining just for scheduling purposes.
The most value varies job to job. Sometimes it may be something as simple as sharing a cool picture milestone, or it could be getting a big issue resolved where everybody wins from it just by having transparent data. We were working with these trade partners and we were tracking their earthwork quantities with drones. When we were talking about quantities that they moved, we really sat down and said, how are you doing it? And they're like, well, we're counting trucks. And we're like, well, okay, well, we're counting pixels. And when you have a quality accurate map that you can verify, you can go to bat for your team.
If someone asked me like, hey, do we have an idea on when this specific equipment was installed? And I'll tell them, yeah, sure, because just give me a second, let's go back in time.
To date, we've had almost 150 plus projects that have used DroneDeploy in some capacity. We have whole regions now that are saying, hey, we're going to standardize to capturing all of our photos this way.